Hello there, people. I wanted to do this little video for my friends and for me to look over. It's for the Viva thing. Looking at the marking scheme, we see that 3 of the things that they require is doing good on the Viva. So we have to be able to demonstrate and understand the code. We need to be able to use test cases and also be able to answer the questions fully in the Viva. Now that doesn't sound easy, despite the coding and everything, in writing the code and everything. We have to be able to explain it and demonstrate it. So I just wanted to give a little thing on how maybe it will be on the Viva. I don't exactly know how it's going to be, obviously not, but I'll just give a little demonstration of how maybe it will be. So we've already written the code, obviously, and we're gonna demonstrate it to them. And obviously this is a test case. So we write the rank and then we write the university, and then as long as the rank there on the next rank is capital, it doesn't matter, it will work. If it's not capital, obviously it will give an error. For example, if I write rank again, like that, it won't work, even if it's it won't give us the rank or anything. So that's a test case, and that's what we have to show them and be able to explain why and how and la-di-da. So it's important to pick up little points and try to memorize them so you can explain it, and when they ask you questions, it's more likely for you to know. A lot of reading, I guess, would help. Students, this is the next one. This is the next example of rules and facts they're giving us in the assignment. So we have students, and then write Brunel, for example, and then number of students. There, they give us the number of students, 15,090. And then, obviously, any mistakes would if you take the dot out, it won't work. These sort of things like are test cases, and you're testing it, how it work and how it wouldn't work. Well, actually not the dot, because the dot's the programming language itself, the syntax. But yeah, what else? The expense. To be honest, it's all the same. So we have Brunel again, and then just make sure this is capital, the first letter in the sentence. Then we have expense, and it gives the expense. Okay, you're gonna have the group Russell. Now, the university, or should I say the lectures, have given us a file that has all the list of universities, and including the group Russell, it has a list of universities that are in group Russell. So we have group Russell. We don't need a second factor, or whatever they call it. To be honest, I need to do my studying myself. But this is for me anyway. I'm going to look through this. I mean, go through it and everything. Try to memorize the test cases and stuff. But the group Russell Leeds, it's true because Leeds is in the group Russell. Whereas if we write group Russell and then we write Brunel, false, because Brunel is not in the group Russell. And then we also have group 1994, and it's the same thing. It doesn't exist, and if it did exist, it'll say true. And then again, it has its own list of universities in its own group. These are the rules and facts that they sort of given us as examples. And then we have more than this, to be honest, such as this one here, where to check if the university exists, which is true. And if we write that again, and write Brunel, we see that it's true again. I forgot we can do this, And then if we try something else, Brunel number 2, which doesn't exist, it will give us a false, because the university doesn't exist in the list that they provided us in the file university. If you're wondering why the file is not working, I think change the file name from universities. Just make the first letter not caps, not cap lock. Don't make it capital, make it lowercase so that it works. I think that's the one problem I had as well. Yeah, write the program at the bottom, I guess. Your code at the bottom of the list of the universities. That's what I've done. I've done a bit, and hopefully we'll do well in the Viva. Good luck to everybody, and get reading, get studying. To be honest, that's the only way forward.